Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And as every day we are making a brilliant love spells that helps the lots of couples to solve their problems, their love issue. With my love spells there are the lots of people they are thanking to me to save their married life. They becoming safe from the divorce as well. So today I am going to introduce a brilliant love spell that is very powerful and most easy love spell in this world. Three things is required for this love spell: empty bottle, it should be plastic bottle, a marker, a plain paper. Nothing required after these three things, and this love spell is very easy and all the age people can use this love spell. And this love spell is not harder, it is very easy to understand, it is very easy to do it. So the condition is for this love spell is the person should be know you, like you both are known for each other if you want to do this love spell. And you have to know the name of that person, you have to name and the address of that person, and you have to take some mustard oil with you for this love spell. And couple of things to do this love spell: you have to know the name and the address of that person or desired person or your ex or your husband. For example, you have to write the name of that person. For example, the name of that person is Ali. The person's name is, or your boyfriend's name is Ali. You have to write Ali, and here you have to make a box where you have to write the address of that person. Like this is the address of your lover, and please make two lines under the name of your lover, because this line will attract your lover towards you. You have to write the name of your address of your lover, and then you have to close this. After that you have to write the name of yours, like your name is Sophia. You have to write Sophia here, and you have to write your name, and this is your address. If you know the postal code, that's the good enough for you. After that you have to make a box like this on the right hand side, where you have to make this sign. Please give the 4 dots in it like this. After that you have to put some mustard oil on the name like this and like this, and you have to use this mustard oil on the names. If it would fall here and there would be no problem, but you have to cover the names with the mustard oil like this. After that what you have to do, you have to fold this paper like your boyfriend's or your ex or your girlfriend's name on the up of you, like this. Like for example, this is name of your girlfriend or your ex or your boyfriend, and you have to fold it as it is, that it should be keep on your names like this. Hope you can understand and see it very well. After that, you have to fold it towards you like this, and fold it like this, and you have to keep this in your palm, and you have to close your hand with the full of force like this, and you have to say that you have to take your lover's name or your ex name or desired person name, and you have to say, for example, his name is Ali. Ali, you would never leave me anyhow in any condition. Ali, you would never leave me anyhow any condition. Ali, you would never leave me anyhow any condition. After that, you 7 times you have to round this paper or this hand to on your head like this. 1 2 3. After the rounding of the paper, you have to say that what you want from that person. Like for example, you want his or her love, you have to say Ali love Sophia. You have to take your lover's name on the first place in all this spell. You have to take that person's name on the first place. Ali love Sophia. You have to chant this spell. You have to say this word for 31 times. After that, you have to open this bottle, and you have to put that paper into that, and please give your full attention. Then while doing this love spell, nobody should interrupt you, nobody should see you, and you have to hide this this bottle where no one would see you. If someone see you while doing this love spell, then it would not work for you. Do this love spell. After 3 hours, that person would try to contact you instant, and that person would not ever leave you for whole his or her life. Thanks for watching our video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel, and if you are facing any kind of problem in this love spell, you can call us the number that is showing top of the screen. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.